Hello everyone, how na dey? Welcome to the best Educreator show. Right? Today no be a day wey we say we go dey talk plenty because gist don full ground. Cho Amebo don full ground. So I no go waste time. I just wan go straight to the point make I give my word, my cho update, news and trending word education wey dey waka up and down, news wey dey waka up and down. Now the first on my list be say NUC grants accreditation for 18 courses for Ekiti State University. Item 2, that's the next matter wey dey for ground, gist wey dey trend be say Standard College of Nursing Sciences admission now through JAMB. So dat means dey don dey what? You can now apply through JAMB to Standard College of Nursing Science. Next on my list be say Goldvida College of Nursing Sciences admission form 2025-2026 say e don dey available online. So wetin you dey wait for? Now the next on my list be say Enugu State College of Nursing Sciences post-UTME 2025-2026 ND Nursing say e don dey available online. So what are you waiting for? Go now and apply. Now the next on my list be say Alex Ekwueme Federal University Teaching Hospital Abakaliki, that's AEFUTHA, College of Nursing Sciences admission 2025-2026 say e don dey available online. So which excuse you get? Go apply now, right? Now next on my list be say Adamu College of Nursing Science post-UTME form for ND Nursing say e don dey available online. If you see the better gist wey I dey give you an update. Now next on my list be say Elizabeth University admission don open. Dem dey accept admission into postgraduate, post-UTME and JUPEP say e don dey available online. Now next on my list be say Whitman University post-UTME DE screening for 2025-2026 undergraduate admission say e don dey available online. Next on my list be say Unijust Sandwich long vacation part-time admission say e don dey available online. And to close all my gist and all my Amebo cho Afe Babalola University Ado Ekiti Abuad part-time undergraduate degree admission form 2025-2026 say e don dey available online. Thank you, bye bye.